Here's something that you got to cut out of your vocabulary. And if this is latent back from you being a little kid or you're just not confident, you need to get confident. You're on Easton University. You're an incredible sales professional. Never, ever, ever, ever say this again. Sorry to bother you. Hey, sorry to bother you, Will. Sorry to bother you, Chris. Sorry to bother you, Aaron. Okay? Your time is just as valuable as their time. Mike's time is just as valuable as the agents that he's trying to bring into his organization. So I never want Mike saying, sorry to bother you. Okay? What are we going to say instead? Here's what we're going to say. We're going to just eliminate the sorry to bother you. Wanted to reach out to you personally. Right? Wanted to reach out to you personally because blank. There's something going on that every agent's having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. Wanted to make sure you were aware of it. Right? Or I'm calling to see if it makes sense too. They haven't called me back. They've had my proposal for 2 weeks, right? I don't know what's going on. You should, because you're on Easton University, but if you don't say I'm sorry to bother you. Say, hey, calling to see if it makes sense to move forward with the proposal, right? Or I wanted to make sure you had the blank. Wanted to make sure you had the contract to execute so you can go from making $150,000 a year at the agency you're at right now to over 300 and finally have a personal life in Mike's case, right? I'm coming up with Mike's thing there for his moving agents over to his agency. But don't say, and Mike, I see you nodding your head there. You're like, Matt, you're killing me. I never say I'm sorry to bother you. I know. I just used you as an example. You'd never say that. But if you did, which you don't say that anymore.
If you need to triple your sales and triple your income to truly enjoy your life, boom, I've got you covered. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass. I'm going to cover all the cost for you. It's normally $300. I got you covered. Click the link in my bio. That is going to help you start closing more deals right now. And then we're going to talk about getting you access to Easton University. It's the most skillful and effective way for you to communicate, for you to get attention, for you to handle objections, for you to network. Everything that you're going to need to triple your sales and, most importantly, triple your income so you can finally start having the life you want to have. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to buy the closing course for you. We'll talk about getting you on Easton University. Your life, it's about to get a lot better.